Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. It's been a while since I said that and it feels so good to be back. I haven't filmed for a very long time, since July, and it's December. 6 months I didn't film, and this is the first video that I am uploading after we moved to Georgia. Military life is very unpredictable. Today I'm going to feature the makeup that I still love after all the months. I still love these products. I'm gonna show you guys what I still use, what I love using every day. Also the new Ethereal Eyes Makeup by Mario, the new palette from Makeup by Mario. So if you want to know what I use for my look today, stay tuned. Alright, today my video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. Right now they are on sale. I am using Ana Luisa jewelries. My necklace, I actually have more inside. These are all Ana Luisa's. And my earrings is from Ana Luisa too. These are the large hoops. My rings are from Ana Luisa. Not this one. This one. I got another one that I use as my band. And this one is really nice. Thin ring with cubic zirconia. I love that. And I'm also wearing a bracelet. It's a necklace, but I wrapped it twice on my wrist. It looks like a bracelet. I love doing that to my necklaces. Dual purpose. So they're doing a sale right now. Check them out. www.analuisa.com. This one has no silicone. Good Molecules sent this to me and I immediately fell in love with it. This is my second bottle. I actually recommend Good Molecules products. I also like Ordinary. They're not very expensive and very good. I'm gonna go in with foundation. My favorite foundation right now, don't have time like me, I recommend this is the Huda Beauty Fall Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation. It's not liquid foundation, it's a cream foundation. It's very thick and it's very opaque, and you can also build it up if you're not satisfied with the coverage. Pretty sure everybody's satisfied with the coverage. Toasty I use for summer, but I use it for contour during winter time. The new one don't have scent. The old formula, it's really good, but it has that very fragrant full formula. I don't know if I should just talk here because my kids are watching TV at the living room. I don't have my makeup room anymore. I don't have my studio. I am at the office and there's no door. Sometimes problem with this packaging, sometimes it has a clump right at the first pump because it dries on the pump. So if you're in a hurry, this is the foundation that you want. You don't need a lot of effort to put it on. I like full coverage foundation. Sometimes I can just put a little bit, still medium coverage. This foundation is cream to powder. I can still see my freckles here. Sometimes I don't really use concealer anymore because my under eyes are not that dark. I have some blemishes. Alright, next is concealer from Huda Beauty Fall Filter Concealer. I have granola and toasted almond. I use the granola right now because I am lighter. For the Huda Beauty Fall Filter Foundation, you don't need a lot of concealer, just to highlight some features that I like to highlight, especially my nose because it's very flat. For the darker shade, toasted almond, and then I use that for spot concealing. Okay, all-time favorite, of course, you have to have this. How long now? 10 years I've been using Beauty Blender? 8 years. Alright, done with the concealer. Okay, next that I love to use is this Jaclyn Cosmetics Brightening and Setting Palette. Medium. If you're medium, get the medium. The colors, very well thought out. Okay, so what I use is the orange one, orange cream. I use them all. The orange one because it's brightening underneath my eyes and around my mouth. I put the orange cream under my eyes too. See the difference? This is my favorite setting powder because the convenience of it, it's on a palette and I can bring it anywhere and it's not gonna be messy. That's the genius thing about it. It's in a palette. When I'm traveling, this is what I bring and it's compact too. Very convenient. Okay, after that, I use the lighter shades. Yeah, caramel. It's lighter than the orange shade here for highlighting. See that? For my contour, I'm gonna do it on my forehead because I didn't put powder yet. My favorite is the Jaclyn Hill Cream Bronzer. This is a bronzer, it's not a contour, but I use it as my contour because it's a little bit grayish. This one is Toasty. This is lighter than my shade, so I guess that's why it's more grayish. It's for lighter skin tone. I use a brush that is very dense. It's good for blending cream products. This one is the Boxy Charm brush. So look at that. It's the contour shade for me. See the difference? This is contoured and this is not contoured yet. Since I gained so much weight, I've been contouring my jaw a lot. I gained 30 pounds. I stopped breastfeeding. When Coco turned 2, I didn't stop gaining weight. But I guess it's also I stopped running, cardio, biking. I'm just finding the rhythm and the motivation to go back being fit. I even contour my nose with this product. It's really good. I'm drinking matcha. Okay, next I use the darkest one. This one is hazelnut. I draw the line on my jaw here, like just a little bit until here. The next product that I'm going to use is this one. This is still my favorite. Don't sell this anymore. Okay, I like using this for my forehead because it looks like you have suntan. Here as well. And then I'm going to use the peachy one. Basically, I'm going to use it for my highlight. My nose, chin, upper lip, like this here. And also right here. Cheekbone. For my blush, I love the blush and contour here, which is bronzer. If I have a little time and I can find my favorite blush, it is still my favorite blush. This one is from Kylie Cosmetics, Close to Perfect. This one is the old formula. I put the middle of my cheek. I don't put it up high here. I still put it up here, but just to blend it. I also put a little bit here. Close to Perfect is really pale, so it just looks like you have a flush, like you see your crush. In my case, I see my husband. Blend it in. Blush is the first one to go away, so I pack it. If you want your blush to last longer, I recommend putting a tinted cheek stain or a cream blush before you put any powder on your face. It's gonna last long. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I still love, of course, the Makeup by Mario eyebrow pencil. This one is the Master Blade Brow Pencil Deep Brunette. I also like the thin eyebrow pencil from Huda Beauty. It makes like hair-like strokes. This one, if you like shading, this is really good. What I love about it is I don't have to sharpen it as pulley at the end. Brush your hair first, like so. I am going to just like shade the sparse area. Sometimes I put hair here, draw hair closer to the nose. That makes your nose look slimmer, like thinner. For laminating my eyebrows, after I put eyeshadow on, because if I put it now and then I put powder eyeshadow on my face, it's going to stick on the sticky eyebrows, so I use this after. Also favorite, of course, I still use this Morphe setting mist, continuous setting mist. I still have this fan. I had this in Texas, in New York, and now in Georgia. Okay, I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow. This is brand new. I haven't used this yet. Special. I want to show you guys what it looks like. This is the new Makeup by Mario palette, Ethereal Eyes. He said that these shimmers are never seen before formula. My eyes are prepped as concealer. I'm gonna dive in. This is my favorite shade, so we'll see. A little bit powdery. I'm using the brush JH36 for the mattes. Reminds me of Anastasia formula. This brown is a little bit on the pinky side, very pale. The trend right now is almost nothing on the eyes, very natural eyes and just good skin. All right, next I'm going to use this shade right here. Yeah, I'm gonna use this shade, very soft. Okay, I'm gonna get a pencil brush. This one is Morphe E18. I'm gonna get the darker shade and put it underneath here, under my eyes. Just connect it on top of my eyes. And then I'm gonna stop right here. Okay, I'm gonna get this shade right here. First shade that, oh, did you guys see that? It's very powdery. I got, and then I'm gonna blend towards my nose. that is going to make my nose appear thinner on the bridge. I don't have a bridge here. It's very flat. I have a very Filipino Asian nose. For the star of the show, I'm going to use the metallic shades. I don't know where some of my makeup are. They're just here in this room, but I haven't really organized everything. I can't find my Give Me Glow Cosmetics glitter glue. That would be great for this one. Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna use the Pat McGrath Intensive Ice Artistry wand. It's like a glue. You just put on your lids and the glitter shades are gonna stick better. Also, it's gonna intensify whatever you put on top. If you put a lot of it, it's gonna be cakey. I really like this one right here. Champagne. It has silver glitters. All of them have silver glitters. Honestly, they're very similar to each other. Wow, okay. I like it. I like that it's very subtle. I think that's Mario style anyway. The formula is sticking to powder, and I think it's better if you use a flat brush than finger. You gotta be careful though and play with it because the glitter going everywhere now. What I like about it is I can still see the eyeshadow underneath it, but I feel like this one is intensified because I used Pat McGrath. Or maybe I should just build it up. I'm going to put a little bit of the darker shimmer. This one right here. It's very creamy of my eyes. What? Okay, probably my favorite shade. Beautiful. I want to put it all over my lid. Watch this. Let's watch it. How beautiful is that? I feel like it's cream to powder. Wow. Cream on a pan. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to show you guys favorite eyeliners. Of course, I like the Makeup by Mario eyeliners. They're fantastic. I also like One Size eyeliner, the black one and the brown one. I love them. This one is the brown one. I'm going to put it underneath right on the waterline, but I'm not gonna do it all the way. Like so. Then I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario liquid eyeliner. I love this one. I also love the one from REM, one from Pat McGrath. Those are my favorite liquid liner. Favorite liquid liners are felt because they're the easiest. I just stamp them. I don't glide them. Of course, not everybody's the same. Like I said, the glitters are flying everywhere, but I don't mind it at all. I don't think they're the same, but we'll go with it. We'll ride with it. I'm going to use the Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner because I'm going to put Glamnetic eyelashes. It's just the easiest way for me because I can take it off, put it on, not sponsored, put it on top of my eyeliner. Favorite mascara, Pat McGrath or Superhero It Cosmetics. These two are my favorite. I'm gonna go with the It Cosmetics today. I'm going to wear lashes so I don't need to build it up. If I don't wear lashes, I just build up. And these are buildable mascaras, so I get a good length and curl. What are your favorite mascaras nowadays? Let me know in the comment box below. Let me check them out. For my lips, my favorite are the Makeup by Mario lip liners. They're amazing. My favorite is the almond. If I want to go red, I go with the MAC So Grand. This one is the shade that Ana from 50 Shades of Grey used when she had the red lips. This is the red lip that she was using. If I want to go with red lip, this is my go-to. Okay, so this is the lip liner. If I want to put something pinky on my lips on top of almond, I go with Sweet Talker. This one is from Huda Beauty, my favorite right now. But I also use the Makeup by Mario liquid lips. They're satin. Okay, game changer lashes. This is it. This is the finished product. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I use all the makeup that I still love, and I used the new Makeup by Mario palette, Ethereal Eyes. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Remember that Ana Luisa is doing a sale right now. All the products that I feature will be listed in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos. I forgot my outro. I'm out of my game. Again, my name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.